Alright, what's up worlds? We're back in the garage. We got a package from Super ATV. This is the power steering system that they just came out with for a Can-Am. It is plug and play with your regular Can-Am. So we're gonna go through parts and just show you what it's about. Basically, it's a complete upgrade of the whole steering system that runs a 400-watt motor. The core of it all. This is the actual motor that drives all the steering, and it's 400 watts as I said, and then it's a plug and play connection. But this thing's heavy, it's beefy. It comes with the brackets, some tube clamps if you even want to mount the ECU. It has its own ECU and it eliminates the whole steering system in the Can-Am and the DPS. I don't know if you guys have had issues, but mine, it doesn't stay. You know, you put it in the maximum setting and it moves around. So this is a new steering shaft. Hardware. Nice plug and play wiring harness with the fuse. It runs about 30 amps, 40 amps at peak. So just consider that if you are gonna run a alternator or not. If you got a bunch of lights, you might need more power. I guess this is the ECU. Yep. So this is the brains of it. It's a really cool package, and they've had this system in a more universal fit that used this motor for many years, so it's definitely proven. It's just now they came out with the brackets and everything to plug and play your Can-Am. We're gonna wire it into powered off the Motec, but you can wire it right to the post that's inside your power post inside here, power and ground inside your Can-Am. This is the core of the system is, you know, the ECU and the big motor, 400-watt motor. This is all sealed, waterproof. The whole harness is sealed and waterproof, and it is plug and play. You don't have to do anything. It'll just go right in. So, and it even's got, you know, the mounts for the ECU. So you're gonna be stoked. I will give you an update once we get it in and drive it. So the main advantage of this system versus the stock is, of course, the feedback. You know, I know you get a lot of feedback through the stock Can-Am. I have the shock therapy steering rack, which is an upgrade, and it helped a little bit. But this is like the icing on the cake to get this big 400-watt power, and it'll just eliminate that feedback through the wheel. This is going to plug right into this one, like that, and this will plug into this one, and that's done. And then the only thing in this harness, you've got, this is the fused 40 amp, it'll go in there, like that, and then this one goes in there, like that, and we're good to go. So basically really easy. Then these, obviously just power and ground to that. The blue one, I'm not sure exactly where it goes yet, but I'm sure the instructions are gonna tell me. We got a blue and a white. So we'll find out where those go. I guess that goes in somewhere. Super ATV Can-Am plug and play package. If you want details, if you want to order one, go to SuperATV.com. And these guys shipped out. It was here in like a few days. They got them in stock and they're ready to go. So it's definitely something to consider for your Can-Am. I know steering's a bit of a weak point on these machines, but with this thing, you're gonna be stoked. So check it out. I'll let you know how it goes too when once we get it in, we'll update.